So, I understand you're not interested in any Catholic college.
No way. Sorry, but yes, no way.
Then you'll be applying to UCs and state schools.
Yeah, but also those East Coast liberal arts schools like Yale, but not Yale because I probably couldn't get in.
You definitely couldn't get in.
Do you think I look like I'm from Sacramento?
You are from Sacramento. You clearly love Sacramento.
I do? So infuriating.
Please stop yelling.
I'm not yelling. Oh, it's perfect.
I want you to be the very best version of yourself that you can be.
What if this is the best version?
Lady Bird, rated R, now playing.